In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to fix the game failed to load error code 123. So even if your error code is different, maybe error code 123 and the numbers that follow are different, but the fixes are all the same. As you can see here, it is error code 123DA, and here it starts with error code 123364. But even if yours is different, if you start with error code 123 and then the numbers which follow are different, then all fixes are the same, as long as the error code starts with 123 and looks exactly like this. The game failed to load error code 123. So I will guide you on how to fix this issue. First, let's see what is causing this issue. So the error code 123 is caused by certain background events that take place around the world. Stop the ending. There is a conflict happening if sim travels to such a lot and the game boots back to the map. Afterwards, the sim that traveled there is caught on that lot and can't be loaded at all anymore. So when it can't be loaded at all anymore, then you face this error code which is 123. So let's go on to see on how to fix this issue. So to fix this issue, you just need to make household loadable again. So there are several ways to make your household playable again. So follow these guides on how to make your household playable again. Evict the sim through the map and move them back in. So evict the sim through the map and move them back in. They will no longer be on that affected lot. Families that have multiple sims and not all sims are on affected lot, load another sim and bring the stuck sim over. Load a different family that's not affected lot and play with them for a while, or invite them over if the family knows them. Load a different family that's not an affected lot and play with them for a while, or invite them over with a family knows them. Use the method below to make the lot playable again. So these are the steps in order to make your household playable again. So you just need to follow these steps which has been written here. Or you can just make lot loadable again. There are methods below remove all stuck events. The method below removes all stuck events from a lot and then you can load it again. If you play on new events will get struck again, it's best to avoid those loads until the bug is fixed. Load the lot in build mode and change the lot type. Go back on the map, reload the lot and change the lot type back. So this is how to fix this issue. If you're still facing the error, even if you have tried all the steps, then the fix here you need to try. Restart the game. Completely restart your game to try and resolve this issue. Or you may delete your Sims pool. If your sim has a pool, deleting it might fix the problem. Use EA's repair game feature. Open the EA app, select repair game for the Sims 4. It worked with other players, so it might help you. So try to repair your game using EA repairs game feature. Also, you can load another household. Load another household, go back to manage walls, load the original sim household again. This simple method has worked for some players. Or move sim out of Brightchester. Load the save file, go to manage walls, move your sim out of Brightchester, then load your game again.